How to install Feedly on Android. Every day, millions of professionals and passionate learners use Feedly on their phones and tablets to follow the blogs, magazine, and other sources that matter to them. With Feedly, you can easily organize all your publication, blogs, YouTube channels, and more in one place and consume and share it more efficiently. All the content comes to you in one place, in a clean and easy to read format. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Play Store, so open Play Store. On the search above, write Feedly. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Feedly on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. You can log in or you can get started for free. I will tap Get Started for free. You can log in with Google, Feedly or Facebook. Let's tap on Continue with Google. Now select the account from Google. You can tap on Add Content. Let's add a newsfeed. Now when you go to the homepage, you will see the news that you subscribed from the feed. You have installed Feedly and created an account on Android. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.